Good afternoon, children. Let's today discuss the extra questions, MCQs, and NCRT questions of the chapter On the Face of It. On question number 7. Yes, question number 7 is, what peculiar things does Derry notice about the old man lamb? And question number 7 and roll number 7 is going to respond. Yes, Rhythm.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Derry noticed that Mr. Lamb didn't have any curtains in his house, and moreover, he always left the gate of his house open. And whenever Derry asked Mr. Lamb about his friends, he used to say that he has a lot of friends, but he didn't knew their name. So Derry found these things peculiar about him.
Yes, anything else? Very good. Anything else? Vishwajit, you have still raised your hand. Anything else you want to add on?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, basically, ma'am, he also noticed that, ma'am, he loved nature. Means Mr. Lamb loved nature, as ma'am, he always told him that he loved the wind. He kept the curtains open because he loved the wind, and he wanted to look at the rain and sunlight, and also he also enjoyed all these things, and the similar things was also enjoyed by Derry. Like he also loved the raindrops on on the roof. So
Yes,
he
very
noticed a certain
yes.
these
It
things.
simply found strange, room without a house home without curtains, the gates always open, and the other things which Rhythm had elaborated. Okay, very good. Who was Derry and what did he suffer from? A very simple question. Lubhavni. Who was Derry? What did he suffer from? Lubhavni.
Derry was a complex-ridden 14-year-old boy suffers from an acute sense of self-hatred and rejection burn due to his burn phase.
Yes, he suffered from acute sense of rejection, and because of his burnt face, so he was living in a kind of a shell, and he was just absorbed into his own self. He didn't want to come out of it. He didn't want to meet any person. He didn't want any kind of company, and he felt that people were afraid from him. Okay, if you were to give a different ending to the story on the face of it, how would you end it? Yes, Alam. Any other? Can you think of any other ending of the story?
Yes, ma'am. I would rather have this with a happy reunion between Lamp and Derry because in is such a short time he has affected Derry on such if he was for some more time he would give Derry basically a new perspective about life and Derry would win for that. So, ma'am, I think, and even, ma'am, if Mr. is alive in the end, so, ma'am, after some time, even Harry will realize that the reasons are not, and he is quite different.
Yes, very good. So she says, I would have ended the story on a positive note and with a kind of a happy reunion between Mr. Lamb and Derry because Mr. Lamb had such a positive influence on Derry's life. So if he had stayed in his life for a longer time, then things would have been for his betterment. Okay. Yes, Vishwajit, you want to add on? You want to have some other kind of an ending?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, basically, according to me, the ending should be like that. Means in the story he died, but instead of it, it should be that when means there were a lot of rumors that were that were there about old man lamp in the mind of Derry's mother. So I think that it should be like that. There should be something due to which Derry's mother should also realize that how nice person Mr. Lamb was.
Yes, very good. Yes, Lubhavni, what kind of ending would you like to have? Lubhavni had raised her hand and no, I cannot see that. Okay, fine, very good. So you have to write this question yourself, whatever you wish to, whichever kind of ending you want to have. But definitely, most of you would like to have a happy ending to the story. So you can write it that ways. Next question is, in what sense? No, as told by Mr. Lamb, why did a man lock himself up in his room and what happened to him? We've already discussed it. Why did he lock himself up? Similar question we've done. The story about the man who had hid himself in a room. Yes, Abhay? Abhay?
Ma'am, because he was afraid of every other thing in this world. Ma'am, he
Yes.
thought that a bus might run him over, or lightning would strike him. So for this reason, he locked himself in the room.
Yes, very good. And what happened to him? Eventually, in that room itself, he died because a picture fell on his head.
Over his
Yes,
upon his head.
yes, very good. In what sense is the friendship between Mr. Lamb and Derry fruitful? How is the friendship between the two fruitful? Yes. How is the friendship between Mr. Lamb and Derry fruitful? Yes, Malvika?
The friendship between Mr. Lamp and Derry is fruitful because Mr. Lamp is could easily convert the could of the perspective of Derry and and change his thinking into a very positive one. And now he started looking the way he was and started seeing the world in a different way.
Yes, in a much positive way. Yes, very good. Next question is why did Mr. Lamb help Derry? Why did Mr. Lamb help Derry? Yes, Vishwajit, why did he help Derry?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, Mr. Lamb helped Derry. So, ma'am, ma'am, when Mr. Lamb ma'am, got to know that Derry has a different perspective of life. He doesn't like anyone. And he also doesn't means his perspective is that he is not living a good life, and he has a lot of problems in his life. So, ma'am, basically, he helped out Derry so that he could change his perspective of life and enjoy the life with what he has.
Yes, very good. And Alam, you want to add on? Or you want to say the same thing?
Because he connected with Derek. They both connected by the bond of loneliness, and uh, because of on the count of
Yes, on the
disability.
count of the disability, that is what Abhay also said. He just replied in chat. Yes, very good. They had one common factor, both of them were disabled. Okay, and next is why did Derry insist that he would go back to Mr. Lamb? Why did Derry insist that he would go back to Mr. Lamb? Yes, Rhythm. Why did he insist that he would like to go back to Mr. Lamb?
Derry insisted that he would go back to Mr. Lamb because he was very much impressed by Mr. Lamb's unending enthusiasm and his zeal to live life and his optimistic attitude towards life.
Yes, his zeal, his enthusiasm, and his optimism it's just drew Delhi towards Mr. Lamb and the kind of things he said. These were the things that nobody had ever said to him earlier, and these were the things that that acted as a major force in transforming Delhi. Okay, so he wanted to be with him. He enjoyed his company. He liked his garden. Everything about him he just loved. Next is how did Delhi's handicap damage his life? How did it damage his life? Yes, Vishwajit?
Derry's handicap damaged his life because, ma'am, due to that acid attack on his face, he was not able to talk to anyone, and he ran away. And he means socially did not interact with people because people ran away from him because of that acid attack. So he was alone, all alone. He left all alone because of that handicap. That attack.
Yes, and
So this was how his.
yes, very good. And
Yes, ma'am.
oh, you can also add on those lines where he said it just this, so much was his absorption towards his acid attack and that thing that he just felt like it didn't just eat him, it eat his face up, it ate his entire life, it ate his entire soul up. Okay, so you can add on lines from your text also. They would definitely fetch you more marks if you can remember some lines and you can just incorporate them in your answers and justify them. Okay, next is why does Derry stay away from people? Very simple. Yes, Rhythm, why does he stay away from people? Okay, Lubhavni, why does he stay away from people?
Yes, ma'am. Derry does not like being with people because he suffers from self-reproach on account of a partiality, acid burnt face. And secondly, the expression of people when they look at him constantly reminds him of his ugliness. So that's why he want to stay away from people.
Yes, the way people look at him, the kind of pity they have, and the way he feels that people are afraid of him and they consider him ugly because of his acid burned face, and that is why he's come to the point that he started hating himself, and he doesn't like mingling with people at all because he doesn't like the kind of look they have on seeing him. Next is, what does Mr. Lamb try to tell Derry through the example of a weed and a flower? What is it that he tries to exemplify? Yes, Alam.
Example of and a flower, Mr. Lamb speaks against discrimination that happens on account of basically physical appearances and the futility of appearance. He tells Derry that people should have a broader perspective around this topic. Are not that matter. It is the personality that matters. He was trying to uh, give him a message that we should be treated equally as humans, not because of physical disability which is not in our hand.
Yes, because these things are not in anybody's hand, so you have to focus on person's personality, his characteristics, not on his appearance. Appearances don't matter at all. This is what he means to say. And all human beings are alike. They are alive and they are alike. And through the example of weed and a flower, he wants to stress upon this point only that both of them, weed and flower, both of them are growing, both of them are green. Then why differentiate between the two? Why is it that one green growing plant is called a flower and another is called an unwanted plant or a weed? And that is why he says, I have purposely I plant weeds. I have a weed garden in my house. How did Mr. Lamb try to give courage and confidence to Derek? How did he try to give courage and confidence to Derek? How does he try to get him out of his shell? Abhay.
Ma'am, he tells Derry that he has got two arms, two legs, and brain with which he can get on his life like any other boy, and he could do even better.
Very good. So he gives him a lot of courage, he gives him a lot of confidence by just motivating him, by telling him that he has to come out of his shell and he has to come and he has to stop thinking about and just revolving his life around his face because he has there's so many other things to look at in the world. There's so many beautiful things. Apart from this, he says that you have got a full body, your arms are working, your legs, your brain is developed, and it's perfectly fit in fit condition, and you have to make the best use of it, and if he chose, he could do better than the rest. If he would have an aim or a mission in his life, then he could do much better than most of the people in life. Yes, Alam, add on.
Ma'am, I had a query.
Yes.
There was a line of it said that he liked the darkness and the that come through. So,
Yes.
so he did not make any curtains.
Yes.
Basically, can we get that? He also like the darkness side of the we use that as a metaphor that he dark side
Yes.
of
Yes, you can use it. You can use it as a metaphor. That when he says that I like not only the light, but I also like the darkness coming into my room, and that is why I don't put up curtains. You can use it as a metaphor by saying that life has both the aspects, a brighter side and a darker side also, and we have to live and we have to accept both the sides as they are. So you can incorporate that also in your answer. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I to that. And ma'am, also the question, uh, Terry was a boy who was basically completely absorbed in the scars
Yes.
because of the acid burn, and he always he made the scar his identity.
Yes.
Always talk about the scar as if it was his only identity.
Yes.
But after meeting the lamb, he realized that there are so many other things that he could do with his life, but rather than complaining about his, he realized that Mr. Lamb wanted to move on from that and achieve success in life.
Yes, very good, very good. You can add on these points in your answer. Your voice was cracking in between, but I could make out what you wanted to say. Very good, very well. You can just incorporate these lines into your answer. Okay. So next question is who has written, and we would be having a similar question, Alan. We are going to have a similar question in the next two questions also. After discussing these, we'll move back to them also. Okay. Who has written on the face of it? Everybody knows Susan Hill. So we'll discuss only those. Which are slightly confusing. What is this play featuring? Yes, an old man and a small boy meeting in the old man's garden. Gossip of old man, old man's woes, brave acts of a small boy. Hurry up, tell me the answer. A. Yes, an old man. Yes, A. Next. Next is what were Derry and Mr. Lamb victims of? Bolo?
B.
Ma'am, physical impairment.
Yes, physical impairment. How does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy? By reading books, by chatting, by putting down the right tab apples of his garden, all this.
Ma'am, all these.
C.
Yes.
C.
No, D. He says, I read books, I talk with people, all of these.
Oh.
Okay. Next question is, why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his Pavandeep, mute karo abhi. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? To keep an eye over his garden, to be safe, to chat with people.
C.
Yes, C. To chat with the people and the children who came there to take food. Come there to take food. Yes. How did Mr. Lamb use the apples? What did he do with the apples?
The option.
Ma'am, he used to make jelly with them.
Yes, he used to make jelly with them. Can anyone just read out the next question because I cannot see it. Seventh question.
Derry go to Mr. Lamb. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb at the end?
Bolo. Answer bolo.
Ma'am, because he wished to live a free life.
Because he wished to live a free life. I think I have this question in the other worksheet also. Why did Mr. Lamb call him guest?
Because except a burnt face, he had a perfect healthy body.
Because except a burnt face, he had a perfectly healthy body. Yes. Vishwajit, ab aap answer nahi karoge. Let the others also speak. Why, even in spite of physical disability, Mr. Lamb did not feel lonely? Raise your hands. Pavandeep.
Ma'am, D. Ma'am, because he never let himself to be alone.
And just kept himself busy. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? Yes. Raise your hands. Jaldi. Apart from Pavandeep and Vishwajit. Why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? Abhay?
D. All of these.
Yes, because he liked to be alone. He was scared of people because of inferiority complex as he had a burnt face. All of the above. In what sense was friendship between Lamb and Derry fruitful? He gave him fruit to eat. Okay, very nice. His maturity, both for good companions and Lamb's mature experience and words helped Derry to have a positive view of life. Pavneet, anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, C option.
Yes, C. Both were very good companions and both became good companions, and Lamb's mature experience and words helped Derry to have a positive view of life. So that is all about the assignments that I've given you. Now let's move on to the textbook questions. I don't have a screenshot of textbook questions, but I'm reading out from the book. Okay, you should have your books with you. What is it that draws? Come to Reading with Insight, page number 69. Open page number 69, Reading with Insight. What is it that draws Derry towards Mr. Lamb in spite of himself? What is it that draws Derry towards Mr. Lamb in spite of himself? Bolo? Abhay, apart from Abhay, what is it that draws Derry towards Mr. Lamb in spite of himself? Bolo ji. Yes, Alam.
Derry finds him, Mr. quite different from the other people. he has come across in his life. Mr. Lamb had this flame of optimism, kind of brightened the dark and exciting Derry. Mr. Lamb's concept of world and not and one thing, not everything what one hears, and the story about the timid man who locked himself in, all the things he told, somewhat fascinated Derry as he found solace in Mr. Lamb's company.
Yes, very good. Anything else? Since Abhay had also raised his hand. Anything else? Abhay, you want to add on something?
When Mr. Lamb's positive attitude towards life has attracted Derry the most, and he has a positive outlook, and he had a positive outlook, and he always answers to the Derry question with a solid reason.
Yes, and you have to talk about the similarity between the two. Both of them, they had experienced, they were victims of physical disabilities, and you will talk about this also. And but in spite of that, both of them had difference in their perspective, difference in their attitude towards life. And Mr. Lamb has a positive outlook towards life, and he accepts his disability, he accepts his impairment, and he tries his level best in order to motivate Derry, in order to make him move on with his life. Okay, so and herein comes that aspect of empathy also, because he could feel how what Terry was going through, because he himself was physically disabled, even though he had an entirely different perspective, but still because of that physical handicap that Mr. Lamb was also suffering from, he could empathize with Derry, and he could finally he became a source of inspiration and of transformation in Terry's life. Okay. Next question is, in which section of the play does Mr. Lamb display signs of loneliness and disappointment? What are the ways in which Mr. Lamb tries to overcome these feelings? I made you underline those sections also. There are sections in which we see signs of loneliness and disappointment in Mr. Lamb too. Yes. Bolo? Vishwajit. Vishwajit,
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
चलो
hello, ma'am. Are you?
छोड़ो 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 आलम बोलो
नहीं, मैम. अरे मैम, मेरे को आता है आंसर.
आता है चलो बोलो बोलो
मैम, मैं कह रहा था वो गलती से हंसने वाला इमोजी भेज दिया था. सॉरी.
मेरे पास तो आए मैंने देखा भी नहीं व्हाट आर यू सॉरी फॉर चलो हाँ बोलो
मैम, मेरे को लगा आपने. अच्छा मैम, तो उसमें ये था कि मैम लाइक देयर आर सेवरल इंसिडेंट्स लाइक मैम first ma'am, like when he asked that he has a lot of friends. So ma'am, Derry replied, Derry asked him that what were the names of his friends. So he was never able to tell the names. And ma'am, moreover ma'am, he also said that whoever came to him, they never means whoever went away, they never came back. So from here we can get to know that he was a bit alone and he was disappointed.
yes very good you can add on you can write those lines where he said you know we all know I'll come back they never do come back. So these words they actually throw light upon how lonely Mr. Lamb himself is. Okay, and what does he do to overcome his feelings? He leaves the gate open. He talks to children. The children call him Lamey Lamb. He doesn't mind that, and he's quite large-hearted. He ignores the comments of children, and he considers everybody his friends. He lets people come into his house, and he leaves the doors open for them, the gate open, the windows open for them, and he makes toffees for children. He makes himself, Abhay says he makes himself busy with the garden. Yes, very good. So all of these things are going to be incorporated into this answer. Next question is, the actual pain or inconvenience caused by a physical impairment is often much less than the sense of alienation felt by the person with disabilities. What is the kind of behavior that the person expects from others? Yes, Alam.
When ma'am basically when there is a person who has physical impairment or physical disability, even more than the pain of the pain caused by physical disability, there is a bigger pain that is feeling different from others, the feeling of alienation. This comes when people often treat these kind of uh, in a very peculiar, they make them remind continuously that they have a certain disability rather than respecting them for their characteristics or their personality. And because of this, they have this sense of rejection from the society as they are
Not only,
constantly reminded of the.
yes, very good, Alan. Not only from the society, even from the family. For example, if we take up the case of Derry, there is he feels he has these feelings of alienation even within his family also. Wherein he gives the example of his mother, and he says his mother kisses him on the side, on not on the burnt side, but on the other side of the face. Not because he feels this is what his feelings are for his mother, not because he thinks that, not because she loves him, but because as a mother she has to. And if she had, he feels that these are what his feelings are. He feels that if she had loved him truly, then she would have had no problems in kissing him on the affected side, the acid burnt side of his face. Okay, so this is what you have to write in this answer. And next question is, will Delhi get back to his old seclusion, or will Mr. Lamb's brief association affect a change in the kind of life he will lead in the future? Even though they had a brief encounter, a brief association, so would he go back to his old seclusion, or will he be transformed? Yes, Abhay.
Ma'am, no, he would not get back to his old seclusion, ma'am, because Derry has received a lot of positivity and confidence from Mr. Lamb, and Mr. Lamb has encouraged him to live life on his own terms, and he has motivated him so much that he is now out of the inferiority complex.
Very good. And this it's the first time in his life that he is speaking up Mr. Lamb's words. He says that you shouldn't believe all you hear. He also talks about bees singing, and then he says to his mother, Mr. Lamb had told me the things nobody has ever said, things he wants to think about. So all these things show that the positive effect which Mr. Lamb wanted to have on Derry, it is already there. Optimism is already entered into his life, and definitely he would not, even though the encounter was a very short one, was a very brief one, the transformation has come in, and he would not get back. The negativity is over, and he would not get back to his old seclusion. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. If there are any doubts, you can ask me, and you have to complete these questions, plus you have to complete the assignment and all the questions we have already discussed. If there is any doubt, people can ask. Otherwise, that is all from my side.
मैम यस स्कूल का क्या सीन है, हम सबको लेंगे
स्कूल का बेटा मैं यहाँ पे किसी मिनिस्टर को नहीं पता, मुझे कैसे पता होगा आपको पता?
मतलब फिर भी थोड़ा आइडिया हो
आइडिया तो बच्चे ये है ना कि उन्होंने बोला था अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू गाइडलाइंस, like from 21st, after 21st of September, maybe 50% of teachers would be called in to the school, and students, they have not said anything about the students, only this, that from 9th to class 12, students can come to school for any kind of guidance from the teachers, but not for the purpose of teaching. Teaching learning is going to continue online only. This is what I had heard and this is what I had read.
यस मैम, मतलब अब सीधा बोर्ड देने जाएंगे हम? काफी सारी चीजें, मतलब इंग्लिश की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, इंग्लिश की तो ले रहे हो, मतलब जो और क्लासेस हैं मैम, जैसे हिस्ट्री वगैरह की, उसमें हमें कोई बता नहीं था कि कौन एक्स्ट्रा वो कैसे.
I am taking the classes on my own. We also have to be optimist in life. हमें भी सोचना चाहिए कि शायद सब माहौल ठीक हो जाएगा, सब अच्छा होगा और सब स्कूल शायद खुल जाए, थोड़ी देर के लिए शायद खुले पर खुल जाए शायद. We can just be hopeful that things are all right. अगर वैक्सीन आ जाती है, या क्योंकि ऐसे तो बेटा जिस हिसाब से ये चल रहा है, ऐसा तो ये खत्म होने वाला है नहीं. The only hope is, I think, the vaccine. Because you cannot risk the lives of so many children. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कभी भी कोई डाउट्स हैं, so I'm 24/7 I'm there. You can give me or you can send a message to me. मैं तो क्लासेस भी सिर्फ इसीलिए ले रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर मैं सिर्फ YouTube लिंक्स भेजती रहूँ तो उसमें मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपके कोई डाउट्स हैं या नहीं. दैट इज द रीजन।
Yes.
Whereas I can do जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ मैं कर रही हूँ। इसके अलावा अगर आपको कुछ मुझसे हेल्प चाहिए तो आप मुझे बता दो। और कोई डाउट्स हैं आपके?
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर।
इंग्लिश में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी नहीं चाहिए मुझे लगता है।
नो
इंग्लिश में
नो।
तो मुझे 90 अबव चाहिए बच्चों के। अगर आप कहते हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
श्योर मैम।
ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है चलो। So that is all for today and on Saturday when we have a new topic coming in from the department. Okay. So that is all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.